of you tuned in not only here but also on air and online. We are here back for one final segment with P-pop royalty Josh Cullen. Hi again, Josh.
Hello again.
Hello. So parang meron tayong mini listening session and mini concert dito sa Wish Plus for your Lost and Found album. But kung mabibitin sila today, balita ko meron kang show coming up.
Yes, syempre ang Lost and Found album concert ko ay i-showcase ko po this coming September 28 dito sa NFT Theater. So kung nabibitin sila or mabitin sila mamaya, pwede po nilang puntahan yung concert ko para pakinggan at syempre makikinig sa akin all throughout. And doon ko po ipapakita kung sino si Josh Cullen.
Exciting! Meron din merch doon, di ba, Josh?
Yes po. So ang ticket po natin ay actually very interesting kasi pag bumili ka ng merchandise, meron ka ng ticket. So ayun lang po siya. Kailangan mo lang bumili ng merchandise and meron na pong exclusive free entry kasama ng ticket.
Wow, mga spoiled pala mga BBQ and everything. And parang diba before, lagi silang humihingi sa'yo ng mga ano ba, Josh, may ganap ka ba? Parang ngayon, sobra-sobra yung ganap, diba?
Yun nga po eh, parang kaliwat kanan, hindi na rin sila mapakali. So, ginusto mo yan eh.
Ito lang din, hindi nyo alam. Baka marami pang mga ganap si Josh for all of you. And Josh, if we were to be honest, alam ko marami pa yan. Marami ka pang nakatago sa bakul for all of your fans. So maybe you can tell us what is next for you. What's the new era?
Well, for my new era, itong Lost and Found. So, parang in-unfold ko lang po talaga kung ano yung matagal nang but kumbaga, if I'm being honest nga talaga, matagal na to eh, na nasa sarili ko talaga. Pero minsan natatakot kasi ako maging honest in front of everyone or maging vulnerable. But this time, parang mas pinili ko po talaga na siguro for now, yun nga, piliin ko din yung sarili ko in terms of writing this Lost and Found. And if I'm gonna be honest nga, sabi ko nga, mas gusto ko na mahalin niyo ako as kung sino ako, hindi sa may pinapakita akong ibang persona.
Through that, and syempre we get a glimpse into how Josh is with his loved ones, and alam ko friends mo rin yung ka-work mo with this next song that you have for us.
Yes, syempre ang The Ones, and especially si Japs at si Kael ang nag-produce nito for me. Grabe sila ka-work, alam niyo, ang bilis lang lahat. Very spontaneous pero napakaganda rin ng workflow namin. Sabi nga namin, napaka-good combination namin. Pero wala po akong masabi sa kanila kasi isa sila sa mga tinitingala ako sa industry, and para maka-work ko sila together with this track, sobrang thankful po ako sa opportunity.
There you go. So with also kind of like a touch of The Ones, diba? Ganun din yung type of beat and sound. But of course, with Josh Cullen's signature sound. So without further ado, here is Honest on Wish Channel 75.
Mababasa po. Papagamot niyo po ba ako pag nagkasakit ako?
Ang aking sigla, ngunit hindi naman tunay ang tawa.
Kasalanan yan, kung hindi niyo makita.
Lagi na lang kailangan ba may daya? O ba ay masisisi kung ayaw ko na Pagod na akong upuin ng sarili. Gusto nang bitawan ng pagmumukha. If I'm being honest, I've been lying my whole life. If I'm being honest, I've been two-faced and most times. If I'm being honest, I've been lying the whole time. If I'm being honest, I've been lying my whole life. I've been lying my whole life. Lahat ng ipinagdadaan, kagaya ko. Should be honest with yourselves. Thank you so much, guys. Ngayon nakahiga sa sahig.
1075 Wishers Josh Cullen with Honest. And if we're being honest, I know all the Aiken and BBQ out there want to hear more from you, Josh. But before you close off your set, message sa lahat ng mga nag-show up.
Siyempre, grabe po, super natutuwa ako kasi marami pa rin BBQs and 18 na nagpunta ngayon. Kahit maulan at Monday ngayon, di ba? So sobrang natutuwa po ako, ang dami nyo, and alam ko, siyempre yung effort nila sa paghabol dito after work or after school or after ng mga ginagawa nila, nakakataba po ng puso. Kaya para dyan, finger hug kayo sa akin. Salamat na, thank you so much guys, I appreciate you all. At sana pumunta kayo lahat ng concert ko kung kaya nyo. Pero kung hindi, okay lang din. Pero mas ma-appreciate ko kung pupunta kayo, di ba? Okay ba yun?
And alam ko na itong mga 18 talaga yung BBQ nakakarinig ng mga silent cries ni Josh.
Yun po talaga.
And there you have it, Wishers, closing off this set, Josh Cullen with Silent Cry.
I've been searching for the pieces of the time, searching for the man's got a scream. Been running in the dark, wish I could find light through silent cries. Every day feels like that and scars and lost. Alright, nothing I've been shaking, but you're not what I want. All I ever ask for is for God to save my head. Oh, I'm not okay, wanna run away. Time always getting better. In this cycle, drop forever, losing my life. Never left for me to cry and hate my life. Oh, I'm not okay, wanna run away. Lost but don't wanna be found. I've been screaming without a sound. Where do I go? Where do I hide? Where do I run? I've been searching for the pieces of the childhood, searching for the memories that are screaming out. Been running in the dark, wish I could find light through silent Come on, make some noise! Too many homes sensitive, leaving people that's manipulating us. Thinking I'll get you else. For the price of lives, one of these lies. Even though these lies just hit me, they pain more than any. I forgive them easy. Why you against the hate that they speak? All I ever did was to share from all of my life. Living like a burning hunger and it seems like I'm never gonna be there. Lost but don't wanna be found. I've been screaming without a sound. Where do I go? Where do I hide? Where do I run? I've been searching for the pieces of the childhood, searching for the memories that are screaming out. Been running in the dark, wish I could find light through silent
Wish 1075 Wishers once again, Josh Cullen. Thank you, Josh, for joining us.
So much to be here.
Next time, and with that, Wishers, we close off another edition of the Road Show. Till tomorrow, 4 in the afternoon up until 8 p.m. We will be joined by OPM acts Ace Benzuela and Ellie Buendia, and we will be making our way to Mall of Asia Arena, Marina Way, for tomorrow's Road Show. So till then, Wishers, this has been DJ Alice. Always remember that the road might be long, but it's always going to be worth the ride. You're on Wish 1075. Good night.